What's going on, everybody? Pandora, the postcard diva here. How we doing? Hope you're having a marvelous day. Today is Thankful Thursday. If you're here for the first time, do me a favor and smash that subscribe button for me and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. For everybody else, welcome back. Okay, we're back. Want to do a review on one of the products in the Home Business Academy. But before we get into that, if you have not checked out my projects to see what else I've got going on with some other affiliate programs, go to www.coffeeandcoins.info. All right, check it out. Now, before we get into anything, let's go over the FTC disclaimer, because we can't make any guarantees, okay, of any kind. We don't know what results you're going to get. So the FTC disclaimer: average affiliates can expect to earn $346 with this business. For full earning disclosure, visit income.thehba.net. All right, guys, you got to put the work in. It takes commitment. It takes a little elbow grease, okay? You got to do the work. This is not any, we don't have pass-ups here, one-ups, spill over, any of that. It's a direct sales program, okay? So you're going to make sales based on your efforts, okay? That's how it goes. Now, with that being said, let's go here. Check it out. All right, we're in our Let's Go. This is the quote that comes up for me today. You must all suffer one of two things: the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. That's by Jim Rohn. Okay, he's the author of that quote. All right, now, so I've had folks inquire about some of the other products. Well, one of the other products they're seeing here. Hold on, let me get to the main page. This is the new sales page. You know, I've been talking about that. They actually launched it, on Monday. New sales page is really nice. I like it. Okay, it looks a little different than the other one. But I like all the details that it gives. But anyway, there's folks that want to know about, this page, and mostly this program is built around residual income, right? They have 3 products that's focused on the residual. It's built around that model. Oh, look at this. This is the new page. A new page, when they created this new page, and it has this commission tracker, okay, and it keeps up with the latest count of the commissions. As you can see right here, it says January 15th. This is the total commissions. It says live from our payout dashboard. All right, pretty cool. It's part of the page. So anyway, there's 3 products that's residual based, right? Let's Go, Funnel Builder, and Premium, right? Let's Go is $10 a month. You're going to earn $8 commissions. Funnel Builder is $25 a month. You're going to earn $20 commissions. The Premium product is $125 a month. You're going to earn $100 commissions per customer, okay, over and over, as long as they remain a customer. So if someone goes all in, excuse me, I'm chewing something here. If someone goes all in and they get all 3 products, that's going to be $128 a month per customer every month, as long as they stay, right? Now, of course, you can buy these products a la carte. Get in where you fit in, but you're able to maximize the comp plan if you get all in. All right? You know how that goes, right? So, 2 referrals, you're in positive cash flow. All right? So, this means your business is free and you're making money. And then they break down all the residual income, net income. We're not going to talk about that right now, but I just wanted you just kind of reiterating that, right? It's built around that. However, again, folks have asked, well, do you have another product where I can earn higher commissions? Okay. because these are weekly and monthly. So if someone signs up with you today, next Thursday, you get paid, right? And then you'll get paid the next month on these residual products. But they do have another product. Where am I? Let me go in here. Is it this one? Hold on. They have another product called Financial Literacy. This is no monthly fees on this one. It's a one-time payment. Okay, one-time payment. It retails for $1,000. But hold up. Retails for $1,000. But if you come in, go to my link, go to www.getpaidfromhome.info or coffeeandcoins.info, sign up as a customer and get one of these products. Like, let's say you pick Let's Go. Now you're a customer. You pay your $10, and within 10 days, it used to be 7 days, they're giving you a 10-day introductory 50% discount, right? So you're a customer now with Let's Go. You purchase that, you pay that every month. But within the first 10 days, you go ahead and purchase the financial literacy, you'll get 50% off. So you only pay $500 for it. Hello? Okay? That's a steal. So you pay $500, right? Now you own that product. Now when someone signs up with you, if they do the same, right? If they pay $500 and get it within the first 10 days of purchasing a product, you're going to earn a $400 commission. So there you have it. That's mid-ticket. You could earn $400 over and over and over and over and over. Or the other option is going to be someone purchases this product from your link and it's past the 10-day period. They've already passed the 10-day 50% off. So they go ahead and pay the $1,000. Guess what? You earn $800. Hello? So there you are. There's a product here that they have where you pay one time, no monthly on this product, and you earn $400 to $800 commissions. All right? And then you'll just be paying your $10 a month for your Let's Go, right? That's pretty cool. Now, what I'm going to do is I'm in my back office, if you will. This is the whole Home Business Academy back office right here, everything you see. So I'm in here and I have the financial literacy, okay? I'm all in. If you look right here, all in. It means I have all the products, not just the 3, but the literacy as well. So here, financial literacy, look at what you're going to get here. Okay, first of all, they have a specific private Facebook group for this mastermind, the financial literacy, right? Welcome and big picture overview. Okay, I'm excited for you. So anyway, you see this video. So this just showing you, this is what you're going to see in your back office because you actually own it now. Check it out. In this training, they're telling you what you're going to get, what this product can do for you. From poverty to freedom, a major breakthrough, the 4 sources of money, etc. But wait a minute, let's go over to the actual page. Where is it? Whoa, hang on. Well, let's do this first. I'm going to show you the actual page that you're going to have an affiliate link for. Let's just run this down right quick. All right, what's in this thing once you buy it? Look at this. Financial Literacy 101, Debt Elimination 101, and you see these videos every time I click something. Debt elimination, reducing taxes 101, tax strategies, advanced tax strategies and planning, retirement planning, records and bookkeeping, guerrilla marketing. Okay, check it out. They even show you other ways that you can actually earn, right? Guerrilla marketing, guerrilla money strategies. How to spot scams, new U.S. investors, car flipping 101, passive profits with mobile homes, stress-free property management, house flipping 101, asset protection 101 and entity setup maintenance, top producer training, there's a bonus here, financial tools. All right, they have this financial tool called Bank Beater Pro, which is right here. Check it out. It's a calculator. The Bank Beater Pro calculates your smartest, fastest path to freedom. So it's going to help you figure out your debt, right? And how you can save and pay it off early by putting in your information here. Like if you had credit card debt, put your balance here. Tell it what the interest rate is, how much you're paying, and then it's going to show you if you pay this amount extra a month, how you can save and when you would be able to pay that off, a projected date. All right, so that's a tool that they have in there. But this thing has everything in here. This is a real course, right? Now listen, there's so many, let's click over here, digital products out there. We know that. We've seen them all, right? What's interesting is, even at retail, this is $1,000. You can resell it and earn $800. There's programs out here, I kid you not, I'm sure you guys have seen it, that's $2,000, $3,000, $4,000. And some of them are charging monthly, right, for coaching, monthly admin, whatever it includes. I have no idea. But on top of you paying $2,000, $3,000, $4,000 on those type of programs, where you're really not even getting the coaching, any of those things. But hey, you're paying some, whatever that monthly fee is a month on top of that. Whereas here, you getting a real course created by a CPA attorney. Now here's the link for it. Because what you'll do, you'll be able to go in your back office. Let me show you. I'm clicking everywhere. What in the world? Hold on. Let me find where I left off. All right, here we are. You'll come here. Let me show you. I'm going to get back to I'm going to show you where to get your link. Once you purchase the Financial Literacy Academy, you come to affiliate, right? You click on My Business, My Links, which is where all your links are. Okay, for all the products, right? You come over here and you go down. It should be on the second page. You go here and you should find your financial literacy right here. See, Financial Literacy Academy link, which is this page, right? So you have your own link that's coded to you. And this is what you would share out. And when folks click that button, it's going to say 1,000, right? But I just explained to you how to get it for 50% off. Okay? You can get it for 50% off. So you actually be able to get the product for $500 and be able to make $400 when people do what you did to get it for 50% off. Or if somebody spends $1,000 for it, right? Which is still a great product. It's a whole course. It's a major course. You make $800, guys, every time you sell this course. Like I said, there's programs out here, $2,000, $3,000, $4,000, $5,000 that people are in. So you can get this for $500. It's crazy. So anyway, this is what the page would look like. Your affiliate link page. This is what people would see. I just showed you what it would look like once you in your back office, right? Once you come here and see it's one of the products, the fourth product. But this is the page, right? So let's check it out. So here's the CPA attorney. All right, and he breaks down, he says here's a free sample of kind of what you're going to get, but it's everything I just read to you. And there's Paul, he's one of the owners of HBA. He gives a testimony basically on how this has helped him as well. Okay, and here we go. Module 1, Financial Literacy. I just went over all those with you, right? So that's a Module 1 and all the lessons. Then you got Module 2, all the lessons. Then you got Module 3. Then you've got Module 4. You see all the videos, the training. Then you've got Module 5. Then you've got Module 6. That's the Card Flipping 101. Then you've got Module 7. Passive Power Profits with Mobile Homes. Then you got Module 8, House Flipping 101. There's Paul again showing how he used this to help him out to help him out wholesaling, right? So that's Module 8. Then there's Module 9, Entities and Asset Protection. All right, so you got 9 modules, and then it breaks down all the training and the topics in each one of those, okay? And then there's some testimonies or comments from folks, all right, about it. But this would be the product, guys, that the Home Business Academy offers, where there's no monthly on this one, and you earn $400 or $800 commissions. Financial literacy is the product. Again, you can get it instead of the retail cost. See, when we go here and we click this button, right? Check it out. We click this button right now. It says click here to buy this product. When we click it, it's going to say it's $1,000. Okay? So I'm giving you the inside scoop on how to get it for $500. See right here, it says $1,000. So I just gave you the scoop on how to get it for $500 and be able to make $400 and $800 commissions. Just that simple. Okay? All right, so that's the product. Not going to keep you, but that's what I came to talk about, because I've had some people reach out. And that's it. That's all. All right, guys? All right, guys. Thank you so much for checking out the video. Make sure you go check out the Home Business Academy. You can come here to coffeeandcoins.info. The link is in the description for this. This is where you can see all my projects, or you can go directly to my capture page for Home Business Academy at getpaidfromhome.info. That link is in the description. Get one of those products so that you can get this financial literacy for $500. All right, guys? That's it. That's all. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a jingle. My info is in the description. Look forward to you joining my tribe. All right, we're super excited about this program. It's got tons and tons and tons and tons of value here. All right. All right. Before you get out of here, do me a favor. Smash it. Smash that subscribe button for me and click the notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload new videos. Until next time, be safe out there. See you on the next video. Have a blessed day.